Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Adler Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the new inflation numbers are out and it's bigger than expected. The second thing I would like to talk about is that Robinhood, it's adding new tokens to its crypto-focused trading platform, including Shiba and some others. And the third is all about that Sega is working on a new super game project and looking to add NFTs as well. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and then I'm bringing them for you. And also check out the links under this video, many useful ones. There's a free course also, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Guys, the reason why I was away for now for a couple of days was because I was at the Bitcoin conference in Miami. And it was really amazing, I have to say, because it was great to meet so many people who are actually supporting crypto, supporting Bitcoin. In last year, there were 12,000 people. This year, 25,000 people. And also, there were, amazing people on the stage. There was Katie Wood, there was Michael Saylor. You name it. It was a very long list. Almost 400 speakers during the conference. It was a 4-day one. So the first one was the industry day. Then we had 2 days. This is the main days of the conference. And then we had the Sound Money Festival, which was the first Bitcoin festival ever, with acts like, for instance, deadmau5 and many great singers and DJs at that festival day. This was the last day on the 9th of April. And then I chilled there for another day or two, and then I flew back yesterday, arrived back here to Hungary, where I live, and now that's the reason why I can continue. I will have some surprises for you from the conference in the future, but I'm just still working on editing. And yes, now let's look at the market, how that looks like. And let's share the screen, and we see Bitcoin actually down at 1.2%, but in the last 7 days it's 12.5%. We are just under 40,000 right now. And Ethereum is just holding itself above 3,000 US dollar at the moment. When we're looking at the top gainers, Shiba Inu 7.2 up, but the leader is Fracshare with 9.2, and then we have ApeCoin 3.1, and I'm going to talk about the Shiba news in a second. And also let's have a look at the losers. We see Humans AI 17 down, Waves 10, and then we have here Celsius Networks 12.4. So these are the top 3 in the losers category. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we have this channel which is going up, and right now Bitcoin is holding itself pretty well here. What I'm looking at right now is this level here at 37,700-ish kind of, because this was the previous low. And so far so good. If you're looking at this, since the January, we have here higher highs, higher lows. That's all good. But as soon as we break this level and go underneath, then we will form a lower low, which is definitely not good for the bullish scenario. Yes, here you can see this green line. This is the 200-day moving average. We were rejected exactly right there. And if you're looking at the previous bear market period in 2018, it happened many times. The 200-day moving average was the mark of the rejection. But when we can cross it, obviously that would make it definitely bullish. This is so far so good, up and down, up and down. If we don't break this kind of line here at 37,700-ish, something like there. But yes, we will see how it works out. But, if you're doubting things, then here's, the picture. You just have to simply zoom out, because even we see this on the market, price is going down and up and down. and now you worried that it was 40,000 before, not long ago, and now we have this 39,000-ish forming at the moment. But look, this is how Bitcoin climbed recently since 2010 on this picture. You can see it pretty well. On the other hand, obviously now the greed and fear index, it's mostly in greed, and we are in mostly in fear, and it's extreme fear. 25, last week we were 48, that was kind of neutral, but then we are yesterday even at 20, now we at 25. So now the fear is with us a bit more. Okay, and now I think it's time to talk about the first topic. One reason why we are in the fear, because the new inflation numbers came out and it's bigger than expected. Well, before the numbers came out for March, they were saying that it's probably going to be 8.4%. But as I share in the screen here, it's 8.5. So actually it's bigger than expected. And well, last time we had this, it was in 1981. So pretty long ago, we had numbers like this before. Last month, it was 7.9, and it was even lower a month before. So we can see that the number of inflation is just going up and up. Some of the experts are saying that we kind of reaching the peak. But is it? Is it really the peak? We will see, because so far we have a higher and higher number month by month. Obviously, this is the yearly number, so compared to last March. But, 8.5, it's pretty big, and I just don't see it how they can slow this really down. And this is the reason why we see this inflation number, and it's actually scares the market. What's happening here generally. And just think about it, that the Fed going to increase the interest rate probably every single time at the Fed meetings this year. So yeah, this is also not the best for riskier assets, which is, for instance, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But you never know how this inflation number will manipulate this whole thing, because just think about it. If the US dollar is inflating, Bitcoin could be a hedge against inflation. You just have to see how it works out, because in crisis situation, Bitcoin, we have never seen Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is here with us since 2009, and we had this 2008 crisis. So if something bad happening, some recession happening, we will see first time how Bitcoin is performing. Okay, but these numbers are definitely not good. They're blaming now the Ukraine-Russian situation. Definitely, it's always something to blame of, but we all know that actually this inflation have started earlier. The money printing is on for a while. It's not now because of the Ukraine and Russian situation, but it didn't help and it makes it worse. Yes, that's true. Okay. Second topic I would like to talk about is all about that several new coins are listed on Robinhood, and Shiba Inu. It's among them, and you can see it's going up. So Robinhood added some new cryptos to its crypto-focused trading platform. And let's have a look how it looks like. So Shiba Inu, it's among them. And as I have showed you before, just let's get into the winners category. Shiba, it's up here. And but we have others. So Shiba, we have Solana, we have Polygon, Matic, we have Compound. And these were added to Robinhood right now. And the Shiba price surged some 7%. As you can see, it's 6.9, but it was just before 7. The past hours data from CoinGecko shows it is the second meme coin to be listed on Robinhood alongside with Dogecoin. Comp jumped 6.6, Matic jumped 3.5, and Solana 2. So definitely it helped this coin to go up a little bit, even in this tricky time when we see actually Bitcoin going down, and therefore actually many other altcoins are going down. It looks like that people are really meme coins, and now Doge and Shiba are getting kind of strong among these main coins, and this is the reason why many exchanges listing them, and now Robinhood is the new one. So they added here that the assets are available buy and sell now on Robinhood app, but deposit and withdrawals for them won't be available immediately. So probably that one is coming up. Okay, and the next topic I would like to talk about is some news for NFTs, because Sega's super game project is looking to add NFTs. So when it comes to gaming, NFT is playing a big role nowadays. It's getting bigger and bigger. So now we see Sega's super game projects looking to add NFTs. So the Japanese gaming giant Sega is looking to integrate cloud technology and non-fungible tokens as part of its new super game project to connect different games to each other. This is very important. So the super game initiative is set to roll out over the next 5 years, and will reportedly see development of wide range of new cross-platform AAA game grade games. The firm is said to be weighing up an investment of around 800 million into the project. And they were saying that it's a natural extension for the future of gaming, that it will expand to involve new areas such as cloud gaming and NFTs. So they're saying that we are also developing super game from perspective of how far different games can be connected to each other. So guess what? So you have your NFTs, in the game, you can connect to other games. So probably you can use those NFTs in other games as well, which is actually very important. And you are the owner of those NFTs, because that's the whole point with non-fungible tokens. It shows you, it proves you your digital ownership. And we see, other big companies working on NFTs. So it's not just a JPEG, it's much more than that. And this here on the super game, which is developing in the next 5 years, is also focusing on NFTs as well. So probably NFTs, whatever shape they have right now, but they're going to be with us. But we will see what will be the real true use case of them, because now we have these JPEGs. These are the most popular ones at the moment, but what will be the future, we will see. Okay guys, that's it for today. So I'm back from Miami, and therefore I'm coming back also tomorrow with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Simply hit the subscribe button if you would like to get these fresh news from me, and also like this video if you like this kind of content. I'm back tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.